At first glance, Persona 5's protagonist appears as a classic hero, wrongfully accused, fighting against corruption with his phantom thieves. The game frames his change of heart operations as righteous acts against societal evils. But beneath this heroic facade lies a disturbing question. Is forcing confessions through supernatural means truly justice, or merely another form of coercion? The game's stylish red and black aesthetic mirrors this duality, presenting violence as rebellion. The change of heart mechanic reveals its true nature when analyzed closely. To reform a target, the Phantom Thieves must first defeat them in combat within their palace, a metaphor for physical and psychological domination. The game's combat system, while flashy, essentially depicts brutal assaults. Even the term stealing hearts suggests taking something by force rather than inspiring genuine change. This raises ethical questions about the protagonist's role as judge, jury, and executioner. The protagonist's silent nature isn't just a gameplay convention, it's a brilliant narrative trick. By having no voice dialogue or strong personality, players project their own morality onto him, obscuring the violence of his actions. Even when given dialogue choices, options are framed as necessary for justice. This design makes players complicit, as they must actively participate in morally questionable acts like blackmail and psychological torture to progress. Persona 5's reward system subtly reinforce the protagonist's villainous tendencies. Completing confidant stories often requires manipulation tactics. The combat system awards bonuses for ruthless all-out attacks. Even mementos, framed as optional, turns random people into shadows to be destroyed for experience. These mechanics, combined with the game's stylish presentation, make players forget they're essentially playing as a group of vigilantes who decide who deserves punishment. The final confrontation with Yaldabaoth reveals the disturbing truth. The protagonist's actions were never truly about justice. The false god manipulated events to test humanity's capacity for rebellion, making the Phantom Thieves unwitting pawns. Their victory simply replaces one form of control with another. The game's ultimate irony? The protagonist becomes exactly what he fought against, a force imposing his will on others, proving that the line between hero and villain depends entirely on perspective.